Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook steamed eggplants. This recipe is super easy. Hope you will like it. First, prepare an eggplant and cut it. Steam the eggplant for 15 minutes. Take the eggplant out from the steamer. Use hands to tear the eggplants into strips. Now we need to make the sauce. Cut some chili. Chop some scallion. Mice some garlic. Use a pan to heat some oil. Pour the hot oil into the small bowl. Hot oil will make the scallion, chili, and garlic taste better. Now we need to add 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of vinegar, 2 spoons of chili oil, some sugar, a little salt. Mix well and pour the sauce into the eggplant. Mix well and this dish is ready. Super easy and it won't take too much time to make this dish. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.